How to build a powerful emergency fund in 30 days. Life is unpredictable. All it takes is one surprise, like your car breaking down, a medical emergency, or a sudden job loss, to throw your finances into chaos. That's where an emergency fund can save you. As a young professional, having a financial cushion isn't just about being prepared, it's about gaining peace of mind. In this video, we'll guide you step by step to build a powerful emergency fund in just 30 days. This isn't a daunting task. It's practical, achievable, and can start you on a path to lasting financial independence. Let's dive into everything you need to know. An emergency fund is a savings account specifically set aside to cover unexpected expenses. Think of it as a buffer between you and life's curveballs. Having one can help you avoid costly mistakes, like taking out high-interest loans or maxing out your credit cards during emergencies. For young professionals, an emergency fund offers 3 key benefits. Financial peace of mind. You can handle unexpected challenges with confidence. Avoiding debt traps. It stops you from relying on expensive credit options when funds are tight. Building financial independence. It's the foundation for successful money management and freedom. So, where do you begin? Let's break down the process into actionable steps you can take over the next 30 days. Start by figuring out how much you want to save. An emergency fund doesn't need to be massive right away. In this 30-day challenge, aim for an achievable number like $500 to $1,000, depending on your financial situation. To do this, calculate your immediate needs, focusing on covering essentials like groceries, utilities, and transportation. By starting small, you'll gain momentum and build a habit of saving. Before you can save effectively, it's time to take a good, hard look at your financial picture. Review your income. How much money is coming in within a month? List fixed expenses. These are things like rent, utilities, and insurance. Identify flexible spending. Dining out, subscriptions, or entertainment are areas you can trim. Once you know where your money is going, you'll have a clear idea of how much you can redirect toward your emergency fund. Now that you know your financial situation, it's time to draft a temporary 1-month budget. Think of this as a minimalist plan with only the essentials. Prioritize necessities like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Put non-essentials like takeout, streaming services, and online shopping on pause. Write down every expense category and assign an adjusted spending limit. This bare-bones budget is temporary. It's your tool to maximize savings over the next 30 days while minimizing unnecessary spending. Most of us have hidden spending habits that can be adjusted. Here are some ways to cut costs today. Cancel unused subscriptions. Are you really using all 4 streaming platforms? Pack meals. Swap takeout for home-cooked lunches to save instantly. Pause shopping. Delay any non-urgent purchases for 30 days. Be mindful of small expenses. Daily coffee runs or impulse buys add up quickly. Every dollar you save here can go straight into your emergency fund. Remember, this is a short-term sacrifice with long-term benefits. Breaking your saving goal into smaller, manageable steps helps you stay on track. For example, if your target is $500, you'll need to save $17 per day for 30 days. It's a simple yet effective way to stay focused. Treat this daily target like a challenge and celebrate small wins along the way. Habits are key to success. Here's how to make saving easier. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a savings account each day or week. Keep your funds separate. Store it in an account you don't touch often, preferably one without easy debit access. By taking these actions, you eliminate the temptation to spend the money while keeping your savings consistent. Sometimes, savings alone won't cut it, so let's explore creative ways to boost your income in 30 days. Freelance gigs. Use your skills for short-term projects like graphic design, writing, or virtual assistants. Sell unused items. Look around your home for things you no longer need, such as clothes, gadgets, or furniture, and sell them online using platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Take on side gigs. Consider options like ride-sharing, food delivery, or tutoring. Even a small side hustle can provide enough momentum to meet your savings goal faster. Did you know some of your fixed costs might be negotiable? Here's where you can save extra money. Call your internet or phone provider to ask about promotional rates. Look for ways to bundle insurance or switch providers for lower costs. Lower utility bills by conserving energy, for example, turning off lights or unplugging electronics. These savings could free up more funds for your emergency stash. Small windfalls, like tax refunds, company bonuses, or cashback rewards, can make a big difference. Direct these funds to your emergency account. While it might be tempting to splurge, sticking to your goal will pay off in the long run. Reaching your goals requires consistent effort, so it's important to celebrate progress along the way. Set milestones, like saving your first $100 or reaching the halfway mark. Even a small acknowledgement, like treating yourself to a free or low-cost reward, for example, a day off to relax, can keep you motivated. It's not enough to save money, you also need to store it wisely. Here are some options. High-yield savings account. This keeps your money safe and earns interest. Separate savings account. A dedicated account helps you resist the urge to spend the funds unnecessarily. Make sure it's accessible when you truly need it, but not too easy to dip into on a whim. Building an emergency fund isn't always smooth sailing. You may face obstacles like unexpected expenses or the temptation to give up halfway through. Here's how to handle it. Stay flexible. If an emergency expense comes up during this 30-day period, adjust your budget accordingly and reassess your daily savings target. Find motivators. Remind yourself why you started this journey and how financial stability will benefit your future. Congratulations! You've completed the challenge and built your emergency fund. But this is just the beginning. Here's what to do next. Expand your fund over time to cover 3-6 months of essential expenses. Keep contributing a small amount monthly so you're always prepared. Revisit your financial goals and use this habit to save for other priorities, like travel, investments, or purchasing a home. To keep your emergency fund effective, avoid these pitfalls. Using it for non-emergencies. Vacation plans or impulse buys are not emergencies. Setting unrealistic goals. It's important to start small. Progress matters more than perfection. Stopping halfway. Even partial progress is valuable, so push through the challenge. An emergency fund is more than just money in the bank. It's peace of mind, freedom from financial stress, and the ability to focus on your personal and professional life without constant worry. When you're financially secure, you can make better decisions, take more risks in your career, and build the future you deserve. By following the steps in this video, you'll turn what might seem like an overwhelming task into a manageable 30-day challenge. Whether you save $100 or $1,000, know that every step forward brings you closer to financial freedom. Start today. Build your emergency fund and take control of your financial future. Remember, you're not just saving money, you're investing in your peace of mind and independence. Good luck, and let's make the next 30 days count.